Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, the GCC states are looking to award nearly 250 billion dirhams in contracts over the next 5 years to raise gas production. That's according to the latest report by Deloitte. Deloitte's white paper titled Middle East Energy and Resources, Managing Scarcity for the Future, revealed that significant advancements in technology will cause natural gas to overtake coal as the number 2 fuel source. It added that in the Middle East, gas is forecast to overtake the demand in oil after 2025, with 50% of all energy demand coming from gas in 2040. And that most national oil companies in the Middle East already have multi-billion-dollar investment plans for gas exploration and production. Oil and gas will supply about 60% of global energy demand in 2040, up from 55% in 2010. Deloitte officials added that although the share of demand for oil and gas is set to rise, it is important to note that alternative energy sources such as nuclear, wind, solar and biofuel will also take on an increasingly significant role in meeting the world's energy needs in the future. Hotels in Abu Dhabi have posted their best ever results for April, according to the Tourism and Culture Authority in Abu Dhabi. During the month, 236,704 guests checked into Abu Dhabi accommodation, a 20% rise on April last year, while guest nights jumped by almost a third to 738,797. The average length of stay of hotel guests during April was 3.12 nights, a growth of 8% on the same month last year. During April, Abu Dhabi's occupancy rate climbed 12%, while total revenue rose 18% to $127.6 million. The UK remained the Emirates' largest overseas source market for hotel guests in the first 4 months of the year, a 10% rise on the same period last year, while India was the second largest overseas market with an increase of 18%. And additionally, Dubai has been ranked 6th in the new global tourism hotlist by the MasterCard Global Destination Cities Index. The index analyses international and visitor spending in 132 cities, where Dubai showed the strongest growth of 10.9% in arrival numbers. Bangkok was named 2013's top destination city by international visitor arrivals, followed by London, Paris, Singapore, New York, and then Istanbul. The UAE's largest healthcare provider, Al Noor Hospitals Group, is looking to raise $150 million through an initial public offering of shares on the London Stock Exchange. According to a local daily, the group is looking at several acquisition opportunities within the UAE, including a $50 million specialty treatment centre. Reports stated that the company plans to issue new and existing shares to secure a free float of readily tradable shares of 30 to 45% of the total. Officials were quoted as saying that demand for healthcare is set to grow rapidly and the IPO will pursue this expansion. They added that book building for the IPO and listing would be in the latter half of next month. And additionally, there have also been reports that Dubai's Jumeirah Group is looking to raise a $1.6 billion 6-year loan. According to a local daily, lenders have been given 4 weeks to respond.